Hello student, today I am going to discuss Einstein's photoelectric equation. Einstein proposed a theory in 1905 based upon Planck's hypothesis of quanta to explain photoelectric effect. Planck postulates that light wave consist of tiny bundles of energy called quanta or photon. The energy of each photon is equal to h nu. So what is photon? Photon is a packet or bundles of energy. The energy associated with each photon is equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant, nu is the frequency of radiation. According to Einstein, when a photon of energy h nu, according to Einstein, when a photon of energy h nu falls on a metal surface, the energy of the photon is absorbed by the free electron in the metal. This absorbed energy h nu is utilized in two ways. Number one, a part of the energy of the photon is used in liberating the electron from the metal surface, which is equal to the work function of the metal. What is work function? This is the minimum energy required to remove an electron from the metal surface is called work function. The minimum energy required to eject an electron from the metal surface is called work function. And rest of the energy of the photon is used in imparting the maximum kinetic energy to the emitted photoelectron. So rest part of the energy is imparted, is given to the electron, is given to the emitted photoelectron, the maximum energy. The rest of the energy of photoelectron is imparting the maximum kinetic energy to the emitted photoelectron. If Vmax is the maximum velocity of the emitted photoelectron and m is the mass, then according to Einstein, energy, this is the h nu, is the energy of photon incident on a metal surface. This is the energy incident on a metal surface. So this energy is divided into two categories. One part is work function, that is W, and rest part of the energy is imparting maximum kinetic energy to the emitted photoelectron. Actually, if this is a metal surface, this is the electrons, so energy is h nu is the energy incident on the metal surface. Then the electrons, this energy is absorbed by the electron, and this energy used by the electron in two ways, and one part of energy just remove the electron from the metal surface, and rest part of energy, that is called maximum energy, to reach the anode. So according to Einstein's, so when h nu is the energy incident on a metal surface, one part of energy used for removing an electron from the metal surface, and rest part of the energy is given to the maximum kinetic energy. So this is the Einstein's photoelectric equation. So we can write it like this way: V max square equal to H nu minus W equal to half m V max square equal H nu minus W, equation number 1. Now if nu equal to nu naught means threshold frequency. What is threshold frequency? Already in my previous video I discussed about threshold frequency. The frequency, the minimum frequency of the incident radiation below no electrons are emitted from the metal surface is called threshold frequency. So at this frequency no electrons are emitted. So if nu equal to nu naught, then the free electron is not emitted from the metal surface. It means the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron is 0. Hence equation 1 becomes H nu naught minus W equal to 0. So W equal to means work function H nu naught, W equal to H nu naught, that is work function. Then from equation 1 we have half m V max square equal to H nu minus H nu naught. Half m V max square equal to H is common, nu minus nu naught. So this is the another equation of Einstein's photoelectric equation. This is another Einstein's photoelectric equation. Since we know C equal to nu lambda, then nu equal to C by lambda, and C equal to nu naught threshold frequency if you write, then threshold wavelength also if you write. So C equal to nu naught lambda naught, threshold wavelength, lambda naught is the threshold wavelength. So nu naught equal to C by lambda naught. Hence equation 2 can be written as equation 2 can be written as C by lambda minus C by lambda naught. Half m V mass square, C is the common HC, 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. Here we are just substituting the value of nu equal to C by lambda in equation 2. So nu replacing C by lambda and nu naught replacing C by lambda naught. So this is another form of Einstein's photoelectric equation. This is equation number 3. Now if V naught is the stopping or cutoff potential, stopping or cut off potential and E is the charge on the electron, then maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron becomes EV naught. Hence, equation 3 becomes EV naught equal to Hc 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. This is the another form of Einstein's photoelectric equation. So equation number 1, you see equation 1, half m V mass square equal to h nu minus w. This is one equation. This is also photoelectric equation. This is equation number 2. This is the another form of photoelectric equation. This is the another form of photoelectric equation, equation number 3. And this is the number 4. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4 is the another form of photoelectric equation. These are the Einstein's photoelectric equation. So equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 represent or are known as Einstein's photoelectric equation. Thank you.